mild Rotel. We'll pour that in a bowl. And we're going to take a can of cream of mushroom soup. All that out of there. Don't leave any mushrooms in there. Okay, then we're going to take a can of cream of chicken. Got a little can scraper here. Now we're going to just kind of combine these three together.
Looks good. What's this recipe called?
This is Rotel King Ranch Chicken.
Sounds good to me.
Now we're going to add in a bell pepper and an onion that we've cooked already in the butter. Just take maybe half a stick of butter with a bell pepper and onion. We'll toss that in our mixture. Okay. Got those.
Smells buttery.
Yeah. Okay. That extra bell pepper and onion and butter, boy, that'll be good.
It looks good.
Okay, now we're gonna take 2 cups of chicken. We have got this chicken here and we have drained it. So we don't need that extra juice in there. 1 cup, same stuff, we've drained it. Makes 2 cups of chicken. It's all combined. If you want your chicken small, or if you use a can, if you smash it a little bit,
It'll break up.
Yeah. Okay, now we are going to take corn tortillas in a 9 by 13 pan. We're going to make a bottom layer. I have to
Tear them up a little bit, maybe?
that, or you could overlap
Oh, yeah.
like that.
Especially for the bottom layer, huh?
Yeah. Okay.
Looks pretty good.
We can just pull these other ones to the side a little bit, where everything is covered. Okay, all that is covered. Now you're going to take your mixture here. We're going to put a little bit. Thought this might be the easiest way. That way then you can spread it out.
Yeah, that makes sense. So you're doing about half the mixture there?
Yes. And I'm going to just take the back of my spoon, kind of spread it out. Everybody gets a little bit on here. Okay, now you're going to follow that with some sharp cheddar cheese. We're just going to sprinkle that on this layer.
Is that about half the bag?
Yes.
Okay.
Okay, now you alternate now. Bring some more corn tortillas. Put it on top.
Yeah. I think this is going to be a good one, Kim.
Now you're just going to put the rest of your mixture out. Plop, plop, fizz, fizz.
That looks so good.
I'd say when it cooks, it will be. Now you're going to put some more cheese on there. Slap it. Use it on my hand so I can get around the sides better.
Oh, yeah.
Now we're going to bake this at 350 for about 30 minutes.
All righty. 350 for 30 minutes.
And you'll have a delicious lunch.
All righty. Ooh, that looks good. Oh, Kim, you're doing good on this one.
King
As
Ranch
always.
chicken casserole.
I cannot wait to sink my teeth in this. All right, let's give this a try. Chicken casserole. That looks good. That's pretty good.
We got self-rising flour. We need 2 cups. There's our 1 cup. 1 more. 2 cups of self-rising flour. We're gonna add 2 cups of sugar. Just granulated sugar. Gonna mix these 2 together. Once you got them mixed up good, you're gonna add in 1/4 cup of vegetable oil. 1 can of pineapple. We've got pineapple slices. Do not drain it. Dump the whole pineapple, everything in there.
Looks like you cut it up a little bit.
We did cut it up a little bit. And then we're gonna take 2 eggs, gonna mix them up, and throw them in with your wet ingredients.
Awesome.
We're gonna mix all this together.
It's gonna be good.
Oh yeah, can't go wrong with pineapple. Okay, we've got it all mixed up, so now we wanna add 2 teaspoons of vanilla flavoring. And a lot of times I just do like this. Okay, and then we're going to pour it in our 9x13 cake pan. Bake it for 30 minutes at 350. We're gonna make an icing for it.
This is called a do-nothing cake.
Get it all in there. Now we're gonna take it to the oven.
How long we putting it in there?
30 minutes at 350.
Okay.
Okay, we're gonna make the frosting. You have 2 sticks of butter. Let that melt. And then we'll add a cup of sugar and 2/3 cup evaporated milk. Okay, now that our butter is melted, or almost melted, we're gonna add in our cup of sugar and our 2/3 cup evaporated milk. We're gonna let this boil for 5 minutes. It'll thicken up.
Getting nice and boiled.
Yep, 5 minutes like this. Keep stirring though. Okay, we've had it boiling for 5 minutes. Now we want to add 1 cup of coconut. That's half.
That's half. Okay.
Yeah, now 1 cup. Now we'll stir that in there and remove it from the heat. You're gonna pour this when you get your cake out of the oven. We're gonna pour it over the hot cake. Hey,
Ooh.
our do-nothing cake looks pretty good.
Oh yeah.
Good
That looks
moist.
awesome.
Okay, now you're going to take your topping that you made with the coconut and all the sugar and everything, and you're gonna pour it over the cake while it's warm.
Mmm. Gonna be so good.
Oh, that will be. Okay, I'm gonna have me a little corner here. Don't need too much of it.
Looks good and
Oh,
moist.
that does. Got me a piece of pineapple too.
Mm-hmm.
This is the kind of cake you need to kind of eat warm. Nope, I'm gonna have to wait a minute. On the pineapple. It's good. I would give that 9.5.
That's pretty good.
Yeah, and I
And
mean, it's
9.5
good.
9.5 from Kim is a 12.5 for most people.
Yeah, it's good.
Make some hamburger casserole today.
Wow.
I sliced some and peeled some potatoes. That's what the bottom layer is gonna be. All right, now that we've got that, we've browned about 2 pounds of beef that we're gonna put on as the second layer of the casserole.
Yeah.
Now don't feel like you have to drain the grease.
I see that grease coming
It's
out.
actually okay in this kind of casserole to keep it in there.
Okay.
If you want to drain some of it, that's, you know, your prerogative. But for me, it keeps a little bit of the flavor in there. For those of you who don't know, my friend Seth is filming today.
Hey guys, it's me.
Visiting. Kim's hanging out with Charles. I'm just over here with my boy Seth, doing my thing.
Yeah.
So we're gonna spread this out.
Miss you, Kim.
Miss you, Kim. We're gonna spread this out as the second layer of this casserole. As you can see, it's already getting pretty hefty here.
That is hefty.
All right, for the next part, you're gonna follow me right here. We have 1.5 cups of milk.
Okay.
We're gonna put it into this mixing bowl.
Ooh, milk.
We have 2 cans of Campbell's cream and mushroom soup.
Okay.
We're gonna dump all of this together. That in.
Yeah.
Got the second can. They're gonna put in there. All right. Make sure to scrape all the goodies out.
Yep.
Just how Kim taught me.
Miss you, Kim. Once again. She's the best.
She is. All right, and we're gonna mix that, but before we do, we're gonna put a little bit of salt and pepper, just to taste.
Yeah, I was gonna say. You
Need
know
a
what
little-
Kim would say.
Need a little flavor,
Always need some pepper.
and then a little bit of salt here. I got the pink salt going on. It's supposed to be a little healthier.
Okay.
It's also easier to control, so I don't do too much.
Right.
All right, so we're gonna mix all that together.
Very goopy.
Very goopy. So like I said, that was 2 cans, cream of mushroom, and 1.5 cups of milk. Okay. All right, we got that nice and mixed up.
Yeah.
Okay, so we're gonna take this mixture, we're gonna pour it over the top of this beef and potatoes that we got.
Ooh.
Almost reminds me of like when mom used to make hamburger helper back in the day.
Oh, I miss me some hamburger helper.
Yeah, man, that's how you know you're a 90s kid.
That's right.
Just get that last little bit. Just slop them. Do they still make hamburger helper? What was your favorite one back in the day? I think mine was the cheeseburger.
Yeah, the cheeseburger.
Yeah. Okay, so we're gonna spread that over.
Okay.
Let that seep in.
Oh yeah, I see it going down there. In the cracks.
It's gonna help. That liquid right there is also gonna help the potatoes to cook. And for what's typically my favorite part of doing any casserole, we got Colby Jack cheese.
Wow, this is the most important.
We're gonna do half the bag, which is 2 cups
Okay.
of cheese that we're gonna put over the top.
I agree.
Cheese.
Man, that looks good.
All right, so that's looking pretty good. We're gonna take this over to the oven. We got it set at 350. We're gonna put it in there for about 45 to 50 minutes.
Okay.
45 to 50 minutes, y'all. Oh, this thing is hefty.
Wow.
All right, let's take a look. Ooh. Wow. I gotta be careful with this one. I'm pulling it out. Oh, look at that bubbly goodness. Woo! My goodness. This is quite the casserole. A hamburger casserole in all its beauty.
Wow.
Look at that. All right, we're gonna let this cool down and come back and try it. All right, we'll just give this a try. Look at that.
That looks good. Can't go wrong with cheese.
Cheese, potatoes, ground beef. That nice mixture in there. Oh, it's kind of slipping away from me. There we go.
Oh yeah, it's gonna be hot.
Yeah, I let it cool down a little bit, but it was really good. And it was the right amount of time for the potatoes to cook through as well. This one's a hit, y'all. All right, Kim, what we got?
Okay, we got some vanilla cake mix.
Classic.
Classic vanilla cake mix. Can't go wrong with that. Then you're going to take 8 ounces of softened cream cheese. put it in your cake mix. And then you're gonna take a pastry cutter and cut it into your cake mix. Takes a few minutes because you've got to get it like a cornbread mixture, the consistency. So just cut the cream cheese into your cake mix.
It's looking pretty good.
Okay, so now you've got it mixed up in there. You're gonna take your pastry cutter and set it to the side. You are going to add in a half a cup of oil, 1/4 cup milk.
Is that whole milk?
Yes, I got whole milk. And then we're going to need 3 eggs.
All right.
And we're going to put them in this bowl so we can just kind of whisk them before we put them into our cake.
And to make sure there's no bad eggs, right?
Yeah, we don't
want to get fussed at.
No, we don't want to mess up our whole cake with kind of an egg. But we got all 3 good eggs. So we're just going to whisk these together. It's amazing how darker yellow the yolk is in a fresh egg. Now you're going to take them, put them in the cake mixture.
Nice.
Okay, now we're going to mix it all together.
I'm excited to try this one.
Okay, now we've got it all mixed up. We're going to take a can of blueberry pie filling, and we're going to fold it into this cake mixture.
Oh, wow.
I'm going to use a spoon for this. Stuff we need. Now we're just going to fold it in. And this is a blueberry pound cake.
It's got a nice color to it.
Oh, it does. To pour this into a greased 9x13. How's that look?
It looks good.
Love the marble effect.
I love that too. I love the mixture of the colors.
Turn my bowl for a minute. Get it all out of here.
Get all them scraps.
No blueberries hot now.
That looks really good, actually.
Mm-hmm. We're gonna bake this for 45 minutes on 350. Oh, they're broken. Okay, that's 45 minutes at 350.
All right. Ooh, don't touch it. All right, let's see it. Ooh.
Ooh, it looks bubbly.
Looks nice. Kim had to go out for a little errand, so I had to pull this baby out.
Okay. It looks good.
Looks really cool, like marbly,
Mm-hmm.
like Kim was saying. All right, just gotta let it cool for a minute and then come back. All right, let's give this baby a try.
Ooh, it looks blueberry.
Mm-hmm. It definitely should. I call this Roy Orbison cake.
Who's that?
He's a famous singer back in the day. And I like to listen to his music whenever I make this cake. Put a little bluebell. What do you think? Who doesn't love bluebell?
Nobody.
Oh, baby. It's still a little warm.
Mm-hmm.
Don't want to get burnt.
That ice cream should chill it.
That's really good.
Oh, snap.
Mmm.